How to use Sprinklr for social media. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Sprinklr for social media, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Sprinklr, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Sprinklr, it is a US-based software company in which it resolved the growing complexity enterprise brands face in engaging customer across digital touchpoints, and it offers a unifying customer experience management or CXM platform delivered as a cloud-based SaaS solution that integrates marketing, social media management, customer care, research, and even advertising tools into one system. And now to create an account or also set up your demo account in here, you can click the link in the description or click the demo button on the top right or the login button in here. But before that, we're going to also first know the pricing option of this platform Sprinklr, in which they offer here for Sprinklr services, social, insights, and marketing. And all of this offer a custom pricing on it. Now moving on, aside from that, you could also navigate some of the feature in here instead of booking for a demo account or clicking the demo button on the top right, which is this one. We can now proceed by navigating some of the feature under the products in here that might help us to use this for our social media account. We have here Sprinklr service, in which it is an AI-powered enterprise grade that is designed to help large organizations manage their social media presence at scale. And from here, you can navigate this inbound voice, outbound, and many more. While under Sprinkle Social from here, it is a powerful module within a Sprinklr unified customer experience platform designed specifically for managing and optimizing your social media across enterprise brands. From here, it will serve as a comprehensive solution for publishing, engagement, social listening, customer care, and analytics, enabling companies to deliver a consistent, personalized, and responsive interaction across multiple social media platforms. You could also have this Sprinkler Insight that will help us to analyze all of the data presented in our social media account or platform here. We can navigate the social listening with over many digital channels available in here. Moving on under Sprinkler Marketing, you can navigate here some of this marketing analytics, social advertising, in which it is the key component for the Sprinkler unified platform that help large enterprises manage, optimize, and scale their marketing efforts across digital and social channels, in which it centralizes also the campaign planning, content creation, publishing, and performance analytics into a single workspace that enable seamless collaboration among global marketing teams. Now aside from that, under products, you could also navigate this digital twin of Sprinklr, in which it is an AI-powered solution within the Sprinklr Unified Customer Experience Management that creates a virtual, intelligent replicas of the real-world entities to be a brand, a team, or an individual. So basically, this digital representation can engage in conversations, making a decision, design workflows, and execute tasks autonomously. You'd also navigate again this Sprinkler platform in here. But overall, under the solution section, you can navigate also the industry within that you can use depending of your organization industry. We have here Sprinkler for financial services, and that includes the banks, insurance companies, investment firms, fintechs, and credit unions by helping them deliver exceptional customer experience and ensure compliance and build trust across digital and social channels. And aside from that, you'd also navigate under the industry, this government, the retail, technology, telecommunication, and any other industry within here. But under by teams, they offer here for marketing teams, customer service teams, and CX teams, in which all of this has corresponding purposes within an organization that you're currently into or depending on the industry or a team that you prefer. And here are basically some of the features that they offer: crisis management, compliant digital selling, and many more. And it can help to create a meaningful experience for the customer in here as well. So basically, it empowers the financial institutions to become more agile, compliant, and customer-focused, and helping them to thrive in an increasingly digital and regulated environment in here. Moving on, the customer service teams also provide a unified platform where they can manage, respond to, and analyze customer interactions across more than that are the digital and social channels, including email, live chat, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Twitter, or X, and many more. In using this, it can reduce the response times and improve overall customer satisfaction, making it an ideal solution for large enterprises aiming to scale support without sacrificing the quality or compliance. So basically, Sprinklr helps customer experience service teams evolve from reactive support centers into proactive strategic experience for customers hubs, offering the real-time intelligent and human-centered service across any digital channel in here. And that includes the feature of Smart Inbox, Agent Assist, bot plus human hybrid support, performance dashboard, and even knowledge-based integration that offers a quick access to frequently asked question policies and product info. And moving on, aside from those kind of solutions, they also offer this unified CXM, also known as Unified Customer Experience Management, in which it is the core concept behind Sprinklr's platform that designed to help large enterprises manage every customer interactions across all digital and social touchpoints on a single AI-powered system. Rather than using disconnected tools for marketing support, social media analytics, Unified CXM brings everything together to deliver a seamless, consistent, and personalized experiences. In order to make the stronger customer relationships, increase brand trust and loyalty, more efficient and allowing internal operations, and even reduce the response time and customer effort, while at the same time enhance the scalability across global markets and teams in here. Now moving on, aside from that, on the top panel you could also navigate the customer section such as this customer stories, Sprinklr champions, Sprinklr community, and many more, in which Sprinklr empowers many of the world's leading brands such as Microsoft, McDonald's, Samsung to transform how they connect with the customer across digital and social channels, in which these companies use Sprinklr Unified CXM platform to enhance this customer service and brand engagement to the global scale. Now on their company, you can navigate also some of the partnership that they have in here or integrated using Sprinklr with other company in here. Or if you want to become a partner, all you need to do is simply fill out this required information right here. And once done, you can now submit your application and wait for their email to be verified. And from here, Sprinklr maintain the strong ecosystem of strategic partners to help businesses maximize the value of its own unified CXM platforms. They also offer a variety of services of resources, support to learn more about the platform, and also the feature that they can offer within your business and also for your social media. And basically, the Sprinklr Social is all-in-one social media management solution that help us individuals and businesses to manage, schedule, publish, and even monitor, analyze our content across multiple platforms in different kind of social media account. We have here Facebook, for Instagram, X or Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, YouTube, and many more. And all of this, it centralizes by Sprinklr all of our activities in one dashboard. And now to book a demo in here, by clicking the demo button on the top right, all you need to do is to simply schedule a personalized demo by filling out this required information, including your email, first name, last name, company name, your job function, job level, and even your country to request a demo and learn how to use this accurately for your social media accounts or platform. But overall, that is just basically how you can use Sprinklr for social media. Thank you.